I'm Ron Plants here on Linwood Avenue, and we happen to come across this tree trimming crew, which is actually from AJ's Tree Service, and they're not just trimming, they're doing a lot of removal work today with some trees that came down in the city of Buffalo. Again, we're here on Linwood Avenue. This actually damaged a couple of cars here when one of these trees came down. They point out that it can be thousands of pounds in terms of the weight of some of the trunks of these trees and the limbs. So this is a very involved process. And they told us they were busy throughout Thanksgiving, and they're busy on this Friday, the day after Thanksgiving as well.